Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I filmed this eyeshadow look. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. To start off this look, I am taking the p.louise base in the shade Rumor 0.5 on this little stila tray. And I'm going to take my Morphe 224 synthetic flat brush, and I'm going to take that all over my eyelid all the way up to my brow. Next, I'll be taking my beauty sponge just to blend out those harsh edges on the side from the base. And I'm going to go back with my Morphe 224 brush and make sure that's all evenly applied all over my eyelid. Alright, now taking this Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to take that on a small tapered blending brush. And I'm tapping into that blue shade. And I'm going to slowly take that into my crease using tapping motions and slowly bringing that forward. And I didn't tap off any excess because I want the full pigmentation. Now I'm picking up the NYX Ultimate Brights palette on a M441 brush, and I'm going to add that right where I added that crease color, but slightly higher, and using light circular motions to blend that out and slowly bringing that forward to my inner crease. As you can see, there is a lot of back and forth. I will be going back with the M441 brush, and then again with that blue shade from that Morphe palette, just to bring back that blue. And then again, I'll be going back over with that light sky blue shade again, just to help blend out. Now I'm picking up the p.louise eyeshadow base, and this is in the shade Rumor 0, the white shade, and I'll be taking that on a Morphe 224 brush just to cut out my crease, and I like to take it higher than my original crease shape. You can go as high or as low as you want, it's up to you, it's all about preference. Now going back into the Morphe 35B palette, I'm taking this Luxie 239 brush, and I'm going to pat that right into the middle section of my eyelid, avoiding the inner corner of my lid. Now taking this Luxie 249 brush, and I'm going to take the Colourpop eyeshadow in Tiki, and I'm going to add that to the inner portion of my lid. And then going back into the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to hit that blue shade with that same brush I used for the blue. And I'm going to go ahead and hit that navy blue shade below it as well, just to add some depth into my crease. And I did tap off the excess. Up my Morphe M441 brush to make sure both of those blue shades are blended together. Then I'll be taking what's left of the p.louise base, and I'm going to run that right under my under eye, and I'm going to go ahead and mimic the same shades I did on top right below for my under eye shadow. Taking the NYX white liner mixed with p.louise Rumor Zero, and I'm going to go ahead and line my crease. And then I'm taking the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Gold Goddess, and I'm going to go ahead and add that right into my inner corner. And then I'm going to top it off with the Colourpop Flexitarian highlighter. Then I'm taking that same brush I used for the yellow eyeshadow, and I'm going to top it off right over my inner corner. And then I'll go back with the Flexitarian highlighter, and then back again with the yellow to give it the yellow highlighter effect. Then picking up my Tarte Exposed highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and add that to my inner corner and to my brow bone. Then taking my MAC Extreme Lashes Mascara, and I'm going to go ahead and coat my eyelashes. And then taking the Ico Skinny Black Liner, I'm going to go ahead and do a thin line right on top of. Then picking up my Tarte Exposed Highlighter and this SLMissGlam brush, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. I'll be taking the Colourpop lip liner in the shade BFF, then using that to line my lips. And then I'll be taking the Jeffree Star liquid lip in the shade Hunty and using that to fill it in. And then topping off with just a little bit of gloss. Then I'll be taking my tweezers and placing on my eyelashes. And these are Ardell lashes. I can't remember the style, but I will place it in the description below. Then I'll be picking up my Mario Badescu Lavender Facial Spray, and I'm going to go ahead and spray that on my face, and I'll be taking my Real Technique sponge to push that all right into my skin to help everything melt together. Then going back with the MAC mascara, and I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom lashes and my top lashes as well. I'll be picking up the Ciate Moonlight highlighter, and I'll be going over my highlighted areas with my B36 brush again. then taking a fluffy powder brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and dust away any highlighter fallout that there may have been. Alright guys, that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tropical eyeshadow just as much as I did. Any makeup product I used will be in my description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.